In this video, we're gonna show you how to do the 4 skills that are gonna make you a great scuba diver and it make you pass every single of the skills that you need to do to be an open water diver. The 4th one, it will blow your mind. If you do it right, you're gonna be a step closer to be a professional scuba diver. Open water, advanced, dive master, rescue, instructor, EFR, whatever you wanna do in life on a dive career. These are the 4 skills that you wanna learn to be perfect. Stay safe out there. Half mask float, clear, and back on. So the first thing we're gonna go over is how to do half full mask, Then open your eyes, look up, blow out through your nose. Very simple. All the water will come out. How easy is that? See, we go to right. See, always blow out through your nose. You can see here in the slow motion that blowing out through your nose is the easiest way. Not through your mouth, just through your nose, that way the water can come out. And fully remove and replace mask underwater. Pay attention. So when you fully remove the mask, you have to keep on breathing. Remember to put your finger on the bottom of the nose part, clear the hair around your face, and then again, exhale through your nose. Very easy skill. Take your time, don't worry. The regulator is not attached to the mask, so blow out through your nose, very simple, and done. Before doing the regulator to exchange on and off in your mouth, the easiest way is training a pool. You see how you see it here? You exhale, breathe a couple of times on the snorkel, throw bubbles, exhale through the regulator, take a couple of breaths, switch to the snorkel, and do it back and forward to get very comfortable to do that. That way your skill would be easy to do. Remove and replace regulator underwater and recover. First thing you want to do when you take the regulator out of your mouth, right, is take it off, breathe in, and never put the mouthpiece up. That would be a free flow. So always mouthpiece down, and remember to put bubbles out of your mouth. Put it back in, exhale, blow, you're breathing good. But pay a lot of attention on this one because a lot of people make the mistake. You breathe in and then you turn, look at the mouthpiece is out. So when the mouthpiece is down, nothing happens. You reach, you put it back in your mouth, exhale, start breathing. Perfect, done. Now, look at this. If I put the regulator out of your mouth, that a lot of people do this mistake, and it's down, nothing happens. But if I turn it up, look what it happens. Free flows. You don't want to do that. So be very aware when you take the regulator out of your mouth, the mouthpiece is always down. In this part of the video, you're gonna see how to share air. In case you run out of air, you go, hey, I'm out of air, let's share air. In this case, the guide, myself in the video, he has an air tube. So the air tube goes to me, I grab the hose, and I pass it to you. Breathe a couple of times, and we have to bail the dive, we just go up, right? Remember, this is okay, this is up. Don't confuse those signals. Keep an eye on the video. So this is way when you wanna share air. In this case, if you're in risk, I'm gonna grab my hose to share my regulator to you, and I'm gonna put in this case my air tube, the short hose, in my mouth. So I put the air tube in my mouth and I give you my regulator. That's the easiest ways and safest way to share air underwater in case of an emergency. Be diligent, repeat it, train it. It's very easy to do if you pay attention. Now remember, when you switch from the air tube back to your regulator, be careful not to breathe salt water, right? So take it off, throw bubbles, put it back in, exhale, back in your mouth. Well done. Fin pivot. The fin pivot is when you add air with your BCD and then inhale a little bit, you go up, and then you exhale, you go down, and you inhale, you go up, and you exhale, you go down. That's called the fin pivot. A very important exercise to manage your buoyancy. Try it. Do it slowly, take your time, test it in a pool on a shallow water, and then you do it in the ocean, just like what you're gonna see in the video here. In the fin pivot, you have to be aware to put puff of air little by little, because you wanna inhale, go up, exhale, go down. Here's a little bit of current, but we still managed to do it properly. So you can see that when I inhale, I go up, and when I exhale, I go down. That's the fin pivot that is gonna help you to have an absolutely great buoyancy control underwater for the time to do the hover. So that's a very important one to learn. we give you this bonus, the last one, how to set up your gear properly. Follow these small steps, very important. You will never have a trouble setting up your gear in your life ever again, and it works every time to be a safety professional diver. Take a look at the video. Here we go, the easiest way to set up your gear. First thing you want to do, remove your cap, find your regulator, remember to remove the dust cap, get it ready. Then you're going to add your BCD, put your BCD on the top. Remember this little strap here, it will help you measure how deep you want to get the BCD on the tank. Then snag very guard there, and be sure that this is not bothering you, that the valve is not in between there, as you can see there, and the air always going to be blowing behind your head, right? Then you grab your regulator, everything to breathe goes in the right side, everything to touch will go in the left side. Put it on the valve, snag, not too tight, right? Then you leave your hoses clear. You want to connect your inflator hose to it like that. Very easy, take your time, put it in, be that it's right and snag. Make it very streamlined, so put your hose in the clips, put your brake cord in. You see, now you're set up. Once you got it right, you have your PSG, your pressure gauge. You want to put the glass down, open your air without looking at the gauge straight. The way it blows, something goes wrong, doesn't hit you in the face. There you go. We have about 3,000 PSI, that's good. Top is your depth, bottom is your air. Once you get that ready, you want to give it a couple of puffs, see that the inflator works, and then the top deflates. Once you do that, you want to pull your valve, see that the valve is clearing the air, right there, good. Then you're going to grab your alternate first, right, and take a couple of breaths from it. Breathe good. Then you get your regulator, do the same. And then a quick tip, when you jump in the water, and if you didn't open your tank full away, what is going to happen, you're underwater, you're breathing, and you're going to see your valve, your gauge going up and down like this. And the gauge is going to be going up and down, up and down. That means that you didn't fully open your tank. So what happens is, when you don't fully open your tank, the gauge goes down, and then you realize it, then you point to the back, you tell to your body to open it up. Your body will go to the back, open fully, you're a happy diver again. That's why it's always important that you check every single step that I just told you. And most and always, never forget to put your weights in it. See, they go in there, and you have to have that clip noise. If you have the clip noise, that means that you put it right. There you go. That's the easiest way to set up your gear. Now you're ready to dive. Guys, if you like the video, please let us know, give us some comments, follow us, share with friends and family. That's the way we grow. We'll be happy to do other things that you guys want to learn and see. We have access to everything, boats, gear, whatever you want to see and do. So just leave me a comment right there, and we follow up on whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching.